How do we treat the people we care so much about? Who needs the most help? Our children, the people we love, people with disabilities, including veterans. And how do we value those caring for them? Child care workers, nurses, home care workers, family caregivers. About to sign an executive order increasing access to high-quality care and supporting caregivers. Under this order, almost every federal agency will collectively take over 50 actions to provide more peace of mind for families and dignity for care workers who deserve jobs with good pay and good benefits. Thank you, care workers and family caregivers, for doing God's work, taking care of our children, our parents, and those we love so dearly. You care for the people we value the most in the whole world. And I want you to know how much we value you.